Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Today, we're going to talk about Enalapril, an important medicine for treating different heart and blood pressure problems. Enalapril is mostly used for hypertension, which is when your blood pressure is too high, congestive heart failure, and to help people recover after a heart attack. Doctors prescribe it when blood pressure is too high because that can cause serious problems like heart attacks or strokes. So how does Enalapril work? It belongs to a group of medicines called ACE inhibitors. These medicines relax the blood vessels, which makes it easier for blood to flow through the body. By doing this, blood pressure goes down and the heart doesn't have to work so hard. Now let's talk about how to take it. It's super important that you follow your doctor's instructions exactly. Normally, you start with a low dose and gradually increase it. The dose you take to keep your blood pressure under control varies, but it's usually between 10 and 40 milligrams a day, divided into 1 or 2 doses. Remember to always take it at the same time so that the level in your blood stays steady. Like all medicines, Enalapril can have side effects. The most common ones are dizziness, cough, and tiredness. If you have more serious effects like swelling, difficulty breathing, or signs of an infection, it's important to tell your doctor. And remember that you shouldn't take it if you're pregnant because it can harm the baby. In short, Enalapril is a very useful tool to control blood pressure and take care of your heart health. Always follow your doctor's instructions and don't hesitate to ask them anything that isn't clear or if you have side effects. Thank you for watching this video. Take good care of yourselves and keep your hearts healthy. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.